Welcome to all in this class. So, question is y double dash plus y equal to x cos 2x. Solve this differential equation by using variation of parameters method. So, how to solve this differential equation by using variation of parameter method? So, solution is the given differential equation can be written as d square plus 1 into y equal to cos 2x. So, auxiliary equation will be by putting the d equal to m in left hand side and we have m square plus 1 equal to 0. And this m square plus 1 equal to 0 gives m equal to plus minus I. And we observe that the nature of root is alpha plus minus I beta form. So CF is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Now let us consider u equal to cos x and v equal to sin x and capital R means right hand side equal to x cos x. So now on differentiating u with respect to x and we get u1 equal to minus sin x, and on differentiating v with respect to x and we get v1 equal to cos x. Now Wronskian W is given by the determinant UV U1 V1. So W equal to, by putting the values of UV and U1 V1, W equal to determinant of cos x sin x minus sin x cos x. On expanding we get W equal to cos square x plus sin square x, and we observe that the cos square x plus sin square is equal to 1. So finally W equal to 1. Wronskian equal to 1. So we have Wronskian is not equal to 0. Means our u and v are linearly independent. So this method of variation of parameter is applicable now. So Pi is given by the relation ufx plus vgx, where fx equal to minus v integral vr upon w dx and gx equal to integral ur upon w dx. So putting the value of v, r and w, fx becomes fx equal to minus integral sin x into x cos x upon 1 dx, or fx equal to integral minus x sin x cos x on multiply 2 and divide by 2 this integral. So we have minus 1 by 2 integral x to 2 sin x into cos x dx. So we know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. So we can replace this 2 sin x cos x as sin 2x. Now consider the first function as x and second function as sin 2x for the solving this integration. So by using the product formula of this integration, fx equal to minus 1 by 2 first function x, integration of second function is minus cos 2x upon 2 plus, वैसे यहाँ पर माइनस रहता है बट माइनस ऑलरेडी आएगा इधर कॉस के साथ, इसलिए डायरेक्ट प्लस लिखा. इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज 1 and integration of second function is cos 2x upon 2 dx. Now again integrating this second integral, fx equal to x upon 4 cos 2x minus sin 2x upon 8 and gx equal to integral ur upon w dx, and putting the value of u, r and w. So u is cos x and r is x into cos x upon w equal to 1 dx. So or we can write this integral as x into cos square x dx. So we can replace this cos square x by using the formula of cos 2x. So we know that the formula of cos 2x is cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So we get cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. So substitute this value in this integral. This integral becomes gx equal to 1 upon 2 integral x into 1 plus cos 2x dx. On simplifying, we have gx equal to 1 by 2 integral x dx plus integral x cos 2x upon 2 dx. On integrating both integrals, we have gx equal to 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 by 2 in the bracket x into sin 2x upon 2 plus cos 2x upon 4. Or further simplifying, we get gx equal to 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 upon 4 x into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 2x. And putting the value of u, fx, v and gx, pi becomes cos x into in the bracket x by 4 into cos 2x minus sin 2x upon 8 bracket close plus sin x in the bracket 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 upon 4x into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 2x. Or on simplifying, we have pi equal to x upon 4 cos x into cos 2x minus cos x into sin 2x upon 8 plus x square upon 4 sin x plus 1 upon 4x into sin x into sin 2x plus 1 upon 8 sin x into cos 2x. On simplifying, finally we get pi equal to x square upon 4 sin x plus x upon 4 cos x minus 1 upon 8 sin x. The general solution is given by y equal to c plus pi. So y equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus x square upon 4 sin x plus x upon 4 cos x minus 1 upon 8 sin x is the final answer of this question.